in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your iTunes media folder location. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab at the top, go down and select Preferences, and then select Advanced at the top right of this new window that appears. There should be an item that says iTunes media folder location. Select Change, and then you can locate whatever file or folder directory you want to save the media to. Select the select folder button, and then you should be good to go. You can just select OK to save, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.